diytaj motor medics. I've got a Mitsubishi Shogun here on a 2001 plate. Just doing a brake light bulb, and this is quite an easy one. Both of the procedures on the right and left are exactly the same, and you can basically do the indicator bulb, the reverse light and the brake light and the side light on one side. With the other side it's the same thing. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the clusters. So you've got to remove the whole thing. You come around, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So you've got one screw on the bottom, one screw on the top. So you undo the two little screws first, and then you get the top one as well. Get that one out. You then, if you look on the inside here, there's one lug on the top, one lug on the bottom. So all you do is you try to wiggle, and then at the same time you're pulling it. So once you've got the top bit out, then you do the bottom bit, same thing. That's it. So you see there, you've got the two little lugs. Now the bulb it needs for this, if it's got the tail light and the brake light, the bulb you would need is a 380 bulb. As you can see right there, it's a double filament bulb. So this is the middle one we're doing. And now you'd see the reason I never showed you the brake, because you could already see the bulb has changed the colour. So it's quite dark now, and it is a double filament bulb. Take this out. Got the new one, and there's only one way the new one would go as well. So you can see this one's quite a really sort of kind of deep, and that one's quite higher. So the bulb would sit in like this basically. So once you got it in, you got to remember the seals as well. So make sure the seals are on there and they're not damaged. If they are damaged, replace them, because you can get water inside as well. So I've got this, slot it in, and then you slot it through the grommets. You push it in. That's it. I'm just going to show you if they're working now. I'll press the brakes. So they're working, both of them. Now if I switch the side lights on, so you can see both of the side lights are working and the brake lights are working as well. Right, I'm going to put obviously the screws back in, but if you did want to do the other side, exactly the same procedure. And if you want to find out where you can get the bulb from, in the description I'll have a link. You can check it out, click on it, and you can buy the exact bulb you require for this. And if there is anything else, just drop us a message, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.